Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find news channels on your Amazon Alexa. We will go to figure out this solution on how we can find this list. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on more here and down. Then it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on your profile family. Then it's going to take you here in this list. So just switching to open video. It's going to take a time. So when it's going to open with us, we will go to keep settings this or keep edit this profile here, and you go down here. Then you click here on news. Then here can you find news channels here if you have it. So I have no news channels, but if you have it, you will find it here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.